Yes, so we're here again with the Bubble Man cowboy. And he's cleaning up the rest of the carrot. What were you saying about the purslane? They say it's called purslane. Some people say it's parsley. What you say how you going now, Bubble?
Yeah, you use it with the madam sit down color like.
Mm-hmm.
The one at the on the dirt ground like.
Yeah.
Yeah, I use it with the ordinary color like them there.
Oh.
Yeah, that's clean your blood cell.
Right.
They make your skin pretty like.
So what you say about your grandma now? You were telling me about your grandmother.
Oh, you should look the pussy for him and cook it and eat it.
So what she cook it with?
In take you make a red pea soup.
Oh yeah?
Yeah man, and great coconut.
Oh. And she cook it with the saltfish?
Yeah, man. And he kill the goat and put him at the barrel.
Yeah.
And you use these as you cook it with it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So she would season the goat and put
man.
in the barrel and then
Yeah.
cook it with the wild parsley.
Yeah.
Okay.
Carlo and implant and grow differently, you know?
Right, right. Okay. Interesting.
Alright.
Man, look at my carrot, man. Oh God. What a blessing. Carrot looks so pretty. Oh my word. Carrot pretty, not true, Baba? Man. Okay guys, so you can see that cowboy is barefooted because the carrots are so tightly packed and you have to be careful. You can't wear any boot when you're eating out the carrot. So he has to do the debushing barefooted. Right, sir?
Yeah.
Yes. So as you can see, Bubba here has to use a knife. You can't use machete, you have to use a small instrument to weed out the carrot. Because the carrots are so delicate, you have to be careful not to weed out the carrots. And you have to do it without shoes. You don't want to step on the carrots. Another shower rain after you finish weeding out this and it's gone, not true?
Yes,
My gosh. We have this big section here. But I don't know how the porcelain just take over the...
Oh, it was here now before you were there, before you came in.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it just come back up.
So which part you say I go burn?
Yeah.
It'll grow there now.
Oh.
And where you chop and burn and work, it grow there.
Okay.
The bird pick it.
Bird eat it?
Yeah, man, and pick out there so and fly with it.
Oh, the little yellow part.
Yeah, man, and the blackbird fly with them.
Okay. But what I notice is over that side we have the shade. It get the carrot them just big and tall.
Yeah, true, the cool.
Yeah.
That's so hot.
I mean, and then say carrot loves sun, so it gets so good. It thrives so much over there, so. Over there.
New.
Oh, to a new land.
There's something can plant here in the yard.
I know, man.
And dry when and everything.
That's why I want to say thank you to the person who sent me these carrot seeds. Because my shadow taking over the carrot, you can't see it. Alright, so these are rainbow carrots, non-GMO. And it's the first time I'm going to try this as well. So I'm going to sow these seeds. I'm going to find a spot over here and sow some, and I'm going to sow some in a pot by my house. Yeah, rainbow carrots, different colors, and it have the instruction at the back, the days it take to germinate, the soil temperature, and the light it requires. Yeah. Delicate weeding. You do it so good though.
Yeah, man, they're young, you know, they're young. Cheer them, you know, and then come big at the pass, man, God.
Yeah.
You go carry out the pan, you know.
Yes. Weeding carrot barefooted in Jamaica. Oh my God.
Think so, they handsome, not they?
Not true. But you know, ants was over there.
Oh,
Made have to throw ants powder.
I'm a dry the seed.
Yeah. You know, see, the ants them carry most of the seed over there that you see.
Yeah.
That's why you see it cluster so much.
When you sow it, you dash the ants powder up on top.
Yeah. But me never have the ants powder the same day as the next day me get it.
Yes,
so then
yes.
pull it away.
So you throw it over?
Yeah man, me did throw it. Yeah man, you have to rest your back, Bubba. Because you have to, me know the sun hot and you have to go through. Not easy to go through this carrot here, you know. As much as it's not big.
I see it.
Right.
I have 2 raw pine for the creep out back.
Pine?
We don't the bush out tight like.
Oh, you did a pine plant too?
Yeah, man, I have pine plant around the yard.
Okay.
Yeah,
You grass your pine?
No, it grew up bush and me weed it down and shake out the back pan.
Okay. But for how your pine them look, cause mine them.
Yeah, me them come up big on them a different breed pine.
Okay.
I can't control it over here.
Because here what happen now, the chicken manure me I use pan them here, you know.
Oh.
Yeah man.
So a big breed.
You buy fertilizer?
Yeah man. Yeah, you had the liquid in the pack.
Mm-hmm.
You can just pull the pack and throw in a jump on
Mm-hmm.
and throw the water upon it.
Mm-hmm.
And I take the mix out and soak out and take care with them.
Oh, you spray it?
No man, wet it man.
Wet it with like one container and just wet the root?
A bucket and one container or something.
Oh.
And you wet them.
Okay.
Right through the drought you have it.
Well, me I go on with the organic thing and see how it work and then me,
Yeah.
you know?
The organic is very good, you know.
Yeah man.
The organic good, but you can't use that too, you know.
Mm-hmm. Alex thing me I work with, you know.
Yeah, you
and
see can't see use and they shoot them dead.
Yep, and the scallion.
Yeah.
Kill every worm. You see a man in time him used to see pure garlic man, the garlic.
Oh, yeah, we come there, we pick it then come man.
Boy must say chew no worm no there no.
Yeah man, you then come through already man.
Yeah.
Come on time we not there man.
Boy must say how the thing work on it good.
Yeah.
Cause him used to see enough, him not see it again. Yeah. Yes, my people. So this is what we call I call it wild parsley. You guys say it's called purslane, and the elder call it wild parsley. So this is it, right? And I'm going to actually cook this with some saltfish. Saltfish I soak from overnight, so you know it's not gonna be too salty. It's not gonna be salty at all. But tomorrow Scotty are forward. Everybody who missed the teacher will come back tomorrow, so you all will see him. All right, I have to show you guys the pumpkin. Okay, let me show you guys the pumpkin. Yeah. Look at these corns. I think my shadow is in it. It's hard to see. Look at the corns, how they're growing so big. Alright, the pumpkin now, the pumpkin. Ooh, look at her baby. Look at that. Look at the size of this pumpkin now. Yes. We have this pumpkin vine up here running all the way across here. Going all the way across over to the other side. But wait, we don't check out the string beans, man. Let's go see the string beans. Still have some big dashins. Okra them a burst now. Okay, that's another okra. And more okra. I want to show you guys the string beans. Okay, so these are the string beans I planted, Scotty and I. More string beans. Some didn't burst yet still, but these one did. More string beans here, and here, and here, here. These are the eggplants. Eggplant right here again. String bean going up the hill. Some of the eggplant didn't burst at all. I did get quite a few string beans. Going all the way up. Oh, we have some corns there. Yeah, and that's where the black drum is gonna go. Right there. This is my beautiful sweet potato. Beautiful view. Alright. Alright, so this is the water drum stand. I'm standing on it. So this is how the drum is going to be placed. So this is how high the drum will be on it. It's pretty high. Nice gravity field. You know, because everything is just going downhill. And we're going to pipe it up. What I need is some, what we call rainer or sprinkler to put in the farm for the next crop. I think what I'm going to do is plant all of this in carrot. I'm weighing my mind as to what I'm going to do, but I might just put carrot, might just put something else. Let's see what happens. Nice and firm, strong. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to like, subscribe, and share my vlog channel. Alright? It's bye for now.